Welcome to this week Biotech Weekly Recap that is presented by Evergrowth Biotech Capital. I'm Dr. Harvey Tran, CEO, Chief Investment Officer, and co-founder of Evergrowth Biotech Capital. For this Biotech Weekly Recap, I'll share with you an update on the latest trend in the bioscience sector by featuring a latest development of large cap biotech stock like Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, GSK, Eli Lilly, and also some of the small cap stock. Keep in mind that we do not invest in any of the stock that we present here, and that our information, our video present is for informational purpose only. It is not a recommendation for you to buy, sell, or hold any stock. Now, even though we don't invest a high growth small cap stock, but this stock could be a good investment for you. Make sure you consult with your registered investment advisor before you make any investment decision. And also, by staying up with the latest development in the bioscience sector, it also helps you to fine-tune your investment decision in biotech. First up is on Exelixis. The stock ticker for this is EXEL, EXEL. The company recently reported their Q4 earnings. The total revenue reached $2.17 billion, which is an 18.58% year-over-year growth. The lead drug for Exelixis, which is cabozantinib, or Cabo in short, it's achieved $1.81 billion in US. So this is a blockbuster. I found Exelixis and recommended it to our investment group many years ago, before the launch of this biotech hedge fund, before the launch of IBI, and Exelixis over the years has grown to become one of the big company of the future. Now, more on the specific product revenue for fiscal 2024. The product revenue increased 12.21% YOY. The company maintained its fiscal 2025 guidance, with a total revenue projected to be ranging from $2.15 billion to $2.25 billion. So not much a huge increase from last year, but I like it when a company is conservative in its projection. If it can outperform or beat its projection, the market tends to respond to that very favorably. So that's good that Exelixis keep its projection low. Also, there's a notable development, including like a pending FDA decision for cabozantinib in advanced neuroendocrine tumor, and there's a PDUFA date for that is on April 3rd of this year. So expected to see an FDA decision on cabozantinib if this drug gain FDA approval to treat neuroendocrine tumor. That will generate a leaping sales growth for Exelixis, and the stock will respond, most likely to respond favorably. The company also continued to issue its stock repurchase program. They bought $205 million of common stock on the average of $33.62 per share. Keep in mind that whenever a company issue a stock repurchase program, that means that the management believes the stock is undervalued. That's why they want to buy it back from the general market. So facing with the fact that revenue last year is very strong, there's an upcoming approval for neuroendocrine tumor, and then the company is also repurchasing its stock. This could be a good investment for you if you are into value investing. Next up is BridgeBio, or BBIO. BBIO received European Commission approval for BEYONTTRA, that is acoramidis, which is the first near-complete TTR stabilizer with over 90% to treat ATTR-CM, a fatal heart condition. Following the approval, BridgeBio will receive a $75 million milestone payment from Bayer, who will handle the EU commercialization. Bayer is a BridgeBio partner, it's a launch partner. So after this approval, BridgeBio got $75 million upfront milestone payment, which is good. And then with Bayer handling the commercialization, and Bayer being a large pharmaceutical company, they will have very strong sales and marketing team to get this drug to patient who needed it. I like this development, very positive for BBIO. BBIO will also receive tier royalties starting in the low 30% in the EU sale. Now, in terms of launch trajectory, Bayer is planned to launch in the first half of this year. The drug was previously approved in the US under the brand name Attruby back in November 2024. And up to date, there's 430 patient prescription that is written, and by 248 physicians since the approval of this drug. So those are not a huge number of prescriptions, but it's still too early into launch, only a few months. Usually in launch, you want to give it about a year to see if there's more prescription, to see if the revenue climb aggressively. Based on that, then you can project or determine if the drug would become a blockbuster. For a small cap biotech stock, if its lead drug become a blockbuster, the investment usually increase multiple fold for you, provided that you hold it for the long term. Next up is Travere, TVTX. The company TVTX announced plan to submit its sNDA for FILSPARI to treat FSGS, which is focal segmental glomerulosclerosis, which is a severe kidney condition. Now they successfully met with the FDA. It was a Type C meeting with the FDA, so now they plan to submit its supplemental new drug application for sNDA. Focal segmental glomerulosclerosis is a devastating kidney condition. Patient will enjoy progressive kidney failure, a lot of protein spilling in the urine. Now the company, when it submit the sNDA, that is due to data from its phase 3 duplex and phase 2 duet study. Keep in mind that in the prior study, the drug FILSPARI, it's only been able to show to reduce the protein urine, like proteinuria. That's the technical name for it. But it did not show an improvement in kidney function. That is an improvement in EGFR, estimated glomerular filtration rate. So it'll be interesting to see if the FDA will approve this drug. Now, if this drug is approved, it will be the first FDA approved drug for this condition, FSGS. This condition is a rare kidney disorder. It affects 40,000 adults and children in the USA. So if Travere gain FDA approval for this condition, FSGS, you can expect the stock to have a huge jump in the share price. If FILSPARI failed to gain FDA approval, or if the FDA issue a complete response letter, you can see the stock crash. So if you invest in Travere TVTX, make sure you do forecasting and know and have a very good sense if this drug will pass through this upcoming binary event, which is crucial for Travere. That is all for today. Again, scan the QR code to schedule a call with me to see if we are the right fit for each other. Just this past week, our fund closed this past Friday, returning over 70% gross profit for our investors since our inception, which was back in November 2023. Our hedge fund, even though we are a small fund right now, but we are very, very high performing. And if you can tolerate risk and you are into high return, scan this QR code, have a discussion with me to see if our fund is right for you and if you are right for us. Also, I want to share with you that we'll be holding our fiscal 2024 annual meeting, Safety Harbor Spa and Resort in Clearwater, Florida. A lot of members of our leadership team lives in Florida, so we'll be holding our annual meeting down there. You don't have to be a member of the fund. Just make sure reach out to us, register in advance so that you can join our fund to hear our presentation and then to talk to us in person. We look forward to seeing you there. You want to capture this lucrative opportunity while investing in the innovation that deliver hope to the patient, but you either don't have time or you don't have the expertise, reach out to us, contact us. We'll schedule a call to see if we are the right fit for each other.